Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And if you've watched enough of my videos, you know that I go up here and I go object and I go order back a page to bring the other item up. And somebody asked me why I don't have a shortcut. Well, there is a shortcut for that, but on my keyboard, it's a little bit of a problem. It is Control N, Control End. And on my keyboard, the N is a function key that you have to hold down a function key to get it to work. Now mine does work with page down, control page down, that replaces that. So I started thinking about, and I believe I used to have a hotkey for that. And I've already made one. I wish I wouldn't have to. But if you'll go to options, customization, commands, and then instead of trying to find backup page or whatever it is, if you will go to object, order backup page, it'll come up right there. Then click on it and you see I've already made one for Q. So Control N is the hotkey, but I made one for Q. Let's just delete that real quick. So to make it, I just picked a letter that's not being used. And so I picked Q and I hit assign and I hit OK. And then if I want to keep that, I'd go to Tools, Save as Default. But now, if I have a yellow object in front of mine, all I have to do is select the yellow object and hit Q, and it'll bring it to the backup page. So I'll be using that in the future. But if you look, a lot of keyboards are different. You know, I've got an end, but it's a blue key that you have to have a function key on the other side. So mine works with page down, but that's a control page down. So the Q is going to be a one key stroke to put it behind the layer. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.